What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So the new Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra hands-on and unboxing leaked ahead of the February 1st launch. Samsung's flagship Galaxy S23 line has now appeared in the wild ahead of its February 1st launch date. Here are all the details. Please watch the full video content. The Galaxy S23 Ultra has now made its first live appearance ahead of its February 1st launch. The flagship phone was outed by a retail store, allegedly in Nicaragua, with the store showcasing the phone's design in a hands-on video, as well as sharing an early zoom camera test. While Samsung has recently tried to keep a lid on information flow before the release, most of details of the Galaxy S23 line have somehow still managed to leak over the past week. The latest, however, reveals more than ever before showcasing the Galaxy S23 Ultra in the flesh for the first time. The leaked videos show the new Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra's design in the hands-on of the store owner. The other video also samples the phone's 100x telephoto zoom. The source, seemingly a retail store in Nicaragua, has shared live images of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra smartphone ahead of its February 1st debut at Unpacked event. There is not much new on the show, however, but the massive leak confirms the 4 color options of the upcoming flagship: Phantom Black, Green, Cream and Lavender. The smartphones are on display at the retail store and look to be up for sale already as well. Also verified via the camera app or 8K 30fps video recording, and of course a 200 megapixel photo mode. In addition, the same store has also shared images of the Galaxy S23 Plus boxes, seeing as they share hands-on videos of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. It's likely the Galaxy S23 Plus gets a similar treatment soon. The full specs of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra have recently been leaked. According to the specs leak, the Galaxy S23 Ultra will feature almost the same screen technology as its predecessor. In fact, at same point, there is a slight decrease in the rating. The Samsung S23 Ultra is speculated to have a 6.8 inches dynamic AMOLED 2X display. It will support a 120Hz refresh rate with a resolution of 1440 by 3088 pixels. In terms of the brightness, the maximum brightness of the display will be 750 nits and the pixel density will be 500 ppi. The HDR10 Plus enabled display will have an 89.5% screen-to-body ratio. In terms of read and write speeds, the Galaxy S23 Ultra will feature the new UFS 4.0 technology. This is a leap from the UFS 3.1 used in the Galaxy S22 Ultra model. Samsung will unveil the Galaxy S23 line on February 1st, 2023 during the Unpacked event. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.